how to check your business credit score, okay? You want to be on top of your business credit score because you're building your business, you want to borrow money so you can build that business and without touching your own monies. So you need to check your business credit score. What do? There are 3 ways that I know of that you can check your business credit score, and the one is on Dun & Bradstreet, Credit Signal, there's nav.com, and there's Experian Business Credit Score, okay? Both of these have, all of these have like a little free version of it, but you basically can't see anything. Whereas if you get their paid products, Dun & Bradstreet is a little bit pricey, so is Experian, but I personally have nav.com. And what I do is I pay $39.99 every month, and they give me like this little brief summary report on the credit scores from Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, and TransUnion. So it just basically tallies up my score. It also reports itself as a trade line, so that's an added benefit of it, and that's how I keep everything in perfect order. So yeah, so on the left hand side it has your Dun & Bradstreet number, your Paydex score, your Experian score, and then on the bottom is your TransUnion score, it just monitors it for you. So the Dun & Bradstreet Credit Signal business monitoring thing is $149 per month for like a full credit report type deal. Like I said again, nav.com is $39.99. I'm here for the cheap. Why not? Why get something so expensive for the same results? Don't make sense. But yeah, Credit Signal is like $149 a month. The Experian Business Credit Report, you could get like a one-time, like if say like on a whim you want to check it, like you can they'll charge you like $39.99 and you can see your report. If you want something a little more lengthy, I don't know what else there is, but they have more like a bigger and better credit report stuff that you can do like for a fee, you know. But I think the one-time thing for $39.99 should be sufficient for you to check it. Say you've been working on your business credit for like 6 or 7 months, you want to check it. You don't necessarily have to check your business credit score every single month. Sometimes it can fluctuate, and you won't have those drastic changes unless you did something where you owe past 30-60 days. But yeah, so those are it. That's how you can check your business credit score. I'll put the links down below on where to go or what to do. And like I said before, I recommend nav.com, but that's just me. I'm building business with a trade line. It seems like a win-win.